Hello. This problem of ASRock NF7G Full HD. These have a common problem. This PCI Express. This board is good, but the problem is you can't use the PCI Express slot. But if you use this VGA output, the output of the VGA is good. But it's just the problem this board is the PCI slot, the PCI Express slot. I have a lot of these boards. This one, Alive NF7. This one is NF7 Alive Full HD. Full HD. The same problem. These boards. It's not well. Still NF7. Problem is how we should repair it. You can repair this board by taking first these capacitors. This, and this. Have soldering iron. You should get it from here. I have a let's see if I have get these parts. Like this one. I pulled out the capacitors here, over here, and here. How to repair this? It's very easy. You just need tools, very common tools. I like one, the little wrench. It's number 10, but I like it. How do you use it? Or you can use the bigger one. You can repair this by doing I'll demo it to you. Then your problem is gone.